He's got an Oliver 66. Second, Josh Branch out of Wardsville. Third, Rick Cornine out of Hughesville. Number 4 is Ashley Aarons out of Holden, Missouri. Number 5 is Kate Wilpong from Tipton. And then we have Michael Good from Warrensburg. So we are looking for an Oliver 66, Martin Ayers, and we'll get this thing started.
Watch the field behind the plow, turn to straight dark rows, feel the trickle in your clothes, blow the dust cakes from your nose, hear the tractor's steady roar. No, you can't stop now, with a quarter section more or less to go.
It'll be just a little bit on the big sled because we have a lot of people not signed up yet. So we're going to get this one started. Looks like we have about 6 pullers. Martin Ayers from Mexico, Missouri is our first puller of the night. Okay, here we go. Martin Ayers out of Mexico, Missouri. Oliver 66. Okay, yeah, 158.44 on Martin Ayers out of Mexico. Okay, somebody driving a 1975 Brown pickup. Can we get it moved? It's right behind the announcer stand over here because the guy cannot get these tractors to pull. So we need, the red trailer, we need to move that brown truck, a 1973 Chevy probably. So, all right, can you move that please? So this guy needs to get in the pull. Okay, 166.69 is the distance. Okay, we have a brown ready to go. Rick Cornine, Hughesville, Missouri. ACWC. It's a nice looking tractor. He pulled it up in Hughesville. It's usually pretty tough. Hughesville SSA has a pull every year, and this guy, Rick's always in it. So he wears the orange, and his wife wears the orange. So they are orange all the way. Thank you, Steve. Steve, thank you. Yeah. Okay, we made a pull of 146.78. 164.06 for Ashley. Kate Wilfong, you're next. And over on the far side, we got the 8-in Ford. Want to thank everybody for helping us out getting started here. Usually, once we get started, it's really smooth, but getting started can be a problem. Want to thank all the free help we're getting. Okay, here we go. Michael Johnson. He comes to us from Tennessee. They're slow. $172.59 for the 8-in Ford. We'll get you the results, and we're getting you trying to get the sheets for the next class. Okay, the results on 3250 Division 2. First place goes to the Ford, Michael Goody. Second place goes to Josh Branch. And third place goes to Ashley Aaron. So thank y'all very much for participating.